Dear friends, good morning. Welcome to my electrical engineering channel. Today's topic is fault finding of microwave unit. In this circuit diagram, it is shown that complete working of microwave oven. There are many problems come in microwaves, such as blowing of fuse. If in that case there may be some short circuit inside the unit. So if blowing fuse case is coming, then in that case we will see must not be any short circuit in my monitor switch, and we will see for short circuit in primary winding of the transformer, diode and capacitor. In this case there may be one of the part may be faulty, so we will replace that part and then microwave will work normally. If even after finding the fault in this three diode, capacitor and transformer, there is no fault, then in that case there is a fault in magnetron. In some cases it shows the display is not coming. In that case we have to see fault in the PCB area, whether this transformer is working or not. So if there is a problem in this transformer, we can change this transformer and then microwave will be rectified. If grill is not working, then in that case we will see the fault in this area or this door limit switch and this R2 relay. If there is a problem of convection heater, then in that case we have to see for this thermostat, this resistor heater and this R1 relay. If there is a problem of this main fan or convection cooling fan or this turntable motor, in that case we have to see this area of the PCB whether return neutral is going to the circuit or not, or there may be fault in this motor or this motor. So we will replace the particular motor and this problem will be rectified. So I think it is clear to you. If you have any doubt, please ask in comment section, and if you find this video useful to you, please like this video, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel and press bell icon. Thank you very much for giving time. Thank you.